Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at VGA cables. VGA is a video-only signal, meaning no audio. Unfortunately, VGA is slightly outdated due to HDMI, but it's still very widely used and provides great signal strength. This is our 90-degree angled VGA cable. These cables are perfect for connecting equipment in difficult-to-reach or tight spaces. The cables are available in sizes ranging from 1 foot to 50 feet. They are made using a combination of coax and twisted pair cable and are shielded for maximum signal integrity. The 90-degree cables are available in both male-to-male and male-to-female orientations, as well as a 90-degree break upwards or a 90-degree downwards. Hopefully this has answered any questions you may have had on VGA cables. If you're still having trouble or have any questions that weren't answered here, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.